Today I want to give a very serious message. And this message is don't commit blunders when it comes to the health of your heart. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dilip Kumar.
সিনিয়র ইন্টারভেনশনাল কার্ডিওলজিস্ট অ্যান্ড ডিভাইস স্পেশালিস্ট তিনি রয়েছেন এখন মেডিকেল সুপার স্পেশালিটি হাসপাতাল কলকাতায়।
I often say that treatment delayed is treatment denied, and that is especially true in cardiac conditions like heart attack, heart block, and malignant arrhythmias. The golden hour of treatment for heart attack has not changed, whether we are in COVID era or we are in non-COVID era. So it is very important for all the patients to reach hospital as early as possible, because once the golden hour is lost, no amount of money or no amount of effort can give you the same result when we treat the patients in golden hours. So it's very true that we are getting a lot of younger patients nowadays coming with heart attacks. In fact, I did primary angioplasty last month only on an 18 years old boy. So the reasons are various. There are familial reasons, but lifestyle is the main factor. And when it comes to our Asian population, especially specific to Indian population, we are genetically more predisposed for having cardiac disease. As such, we tend to get heart attacks 1 decade earlier than what a Western person will get. Our disease is more malignant. We have got smaller coronary arteries, and intervention results is also not as per at what we see in Western countries, because the patients, they come late, the disease is more severe, and they have got multiple risk factors in form of obesity, high triglyceride, low HDL, which is specific for Indian population. So the crux is you have to change the lifestyle, and the younger population, they have to learn to have a proper lifestyle. As there is a lot of software engineers are there, people who are sitting on computers, they are working day and night. They have to take some time out, they have to do some workouts, and even most of the corporates, you see there is a gym, and that is meant to do exercise. And besides workout, it is very important that they should take less of calories, less of junk food. Their dietary habit is equally important, and the total calorie has to be calculated. You take a lot of Coca-Colas, beers, and these are not at all good for your cardiac health. আমরা জেনারেল রুটিন চেক আপ যে বলি, ওটা বেসিক্যালি মোর দ্যান 40 years পরে everyone should get themselves tested. But for blood pressure and blood sugar, there is something around 18 to 20 years everyone needs to be checked. But when there is a multiple risk factors and bad family history means যদি কারো মা বাবার premature death হয়ে গেছে, less than 55 years male member and less than 65 years of female member, and they have died and because of cardiac conditions, then এখানেই আমরা বলবো 30-35 years থেকে আমরা স্ক্রিনিং শুরু করে দিই। কিছু কন্ডিশন হয়ে যায় বলে আমরা familial hypercholesterolemia, then they have got a very bad family history. Their parents, the people can die even in their 30s and 40s. So it depends on family history, it depends on risk factor of the patient. If he's diabetic, if he's obese, if he's smoking, we'll recommend it even at the age of 25 to 30 years. But for a general population, when there is no bad family history, we recommend it 40 years. There is no shortcut to cardiac health. So exercise kortei hobe, and that is at least 6 days in a week, and this exercise should be around, or if you say morning walk, it should be brisk enough, and it should be around 40-45 minutes per day. So the idea is you have to burn the calories, and at the same time your dietary intake should not be be very rich in saturated fat and less in calories. So the protein content should be around 25%, calorie content should be around 60%, and the cholesterol content should be around roughly 10% of the total dietary intake. This is a very serious issue, like opinion difference between two cardiologists, two physicians, two surgeons. a physician, cardiologist, cardiac surgeon. One should not be, scared of and should not feel bad if they find two opposite, kind of opinions. Treatment protocol is 100% defined. Then you have to, if you have heart attack, you have to go for primary angioplasty. কিছু কিছু সিচুয়েশন আছে যেখানে 100% গাইডলাইন clearly defined নেই ওখানে। Then there is a scope of difference in opinion. Like আমি বলবো যদি কারো পেশেন্টের স্টেবল এনজাইনা আছে, উনি হাঁটছেন, ওনার বুকে চাপ লাগছে, বসলে কমে যাচ্ছে, দেন উই ফাইন্ড দ্যাট ওনার ইসিজিতে বেশি চেঞ্জ নেই, ইকোতে হার্ট ফাংশন ঠিক আছে, দেন অ্যাঞ্জিওগ্রাম ইজ ডান, অ্যাঞ্জিওগ্রাম রিভিলস 2 vessel disease, a mid LAD and a RCA, mid RCA. You go to a cardiologist, he feels that the patient symptom is very much and it needs to be basically rescued, and he should be relieved, and then he tells the patient to undergo angioplasty. He goes to another patient or physician and cardiologist. He finds and he feels that no, there is no serious risk of mortality in this patient, and his symptoms are not very severe, so he can be kept on medical management. So this is a gray area. It depends on patient symptoms. The ischemic heart is stable angina patients, so the difference of opinion springs up. You can get two opinions. Don't be afraid, don't get scared, don't get confused. These are some situations in cardiac conditions where the guidelines, is not well defined. You can go for medical treatment, you go for angioplasty. Sometimes patients can go for bypass surgery if surgeons feel that patient is very symptomatic and it is not amenable with an angioplasty, it is bifurcation lesion. So these things can happen. এটা খুবই কমন প্রশ্ন। পেশেন্ট লোক জিজ্ঞাসা করে আফটার হার্ট অ্যাটাক, অ্যাঞ্জিওপ্লাস্টি, বাইপাস সার্জারি, আমাকে রেস্টফুল থাকতে হবে কি হাঁটতে হবে, আমি আগে এরকম কাজ করতে পারবো কি পারবো না। সো দিস ইজ এক্সট্রিমলি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু নো দ্যাট কনসেপ্টস হ্যাভ চেঞ্জড। The idea nowadays is these are days of cardiac rehabilitation. আলাদা ডিপার্টমেন্টগুলো আছে কার্ডিয়াক রিহ্যাবিলিটেশনগুলো, এটা আমরা যেখানে আমরা we encourage these patients to work out, go on treadmill. Initially এটা supervised হয়, পরে এটা আমরা বলি পেশেন্টকে they can go out if we find that they are doing well. উনি সুইমিং করতে পারেন, even they can play around, they can play badminton, they can play do treadmill at home. And I think we encourage these patients to spend a normal life, to lead a normal life.